Welcome to this video regarding the LIC Housing Finance Limited, or LIC HFL Recruitment 2026 exam notifications. This recruitment is for the position of junior assistant. The selection process involves an online examination, a personal interview, a medical examination, and finally, document verification. To be eligible, candidates must be graduates with a minimum of 55%. The age limit is generally 21 to 30 years, varying by post. For age relaxations, please read the official notification. The exam fee for general, OBC, EWS, SC, and ST categories is 800 rupees. There are a total of 180 posts available under the vacancy details. The cost to company or CTC for this role varies on the city category, ranging from 38,709 rupees to 41,509 rupees. You can apply starting on April 16, 2026, and the last date to apply is April 30th, 2026. For more updates, be sure to subscribe or follow the channel. You can find the application link in the description.